Malibu, California isn't where the Mustang was born, but it might as well be. The Dearborn-bred pony car instantly formed a bond with the sun-kissed state, and Mustangs have been cruising in town or winding through the hills since 1964.5. The affinity is palpable, the roads are good, the weather's fine, and the Mustang's a car that makes you feel good even sitting in prodigious traffic. A perfect match. Since Mustangs can handle now, no surprise there, since the 15-plus Mustangs are the best Mustang ever from a dynamic perspective, and the 18 builds off that tradition. Figuring out what makes the 2018 Ford Mustang tick requires the right venue. That's why I'm tearing up and down Latigo Canyon Road in the hills above Malibu. It's early, I have the road all to myself and a choice of Mustang GTs and EcoBoosts, all featuring the optional performance pack. Time to figure out if the new Mustang captures the vibe.